Hi, good afternoon, MMM Philippines. I am Giovanni Canyal or Pandam in my name and personal office. And I am a foreman of MMM Philippines. And as you can see, ako po ay nag-get help noong August 27, 2015 ng worth 46,600 pesos. And ngayon po, inatanggap ko na po ang buong amount. Thank you so much to all of the participants who have provided help to me. I really appreciate it. And of course, to Sir Jim Brody, thank you so much, sir, for introducing MMM to the Philippines and for letting us be part of this community. We're really glad that we joined this community, and we were really happy that we were part of it. Thank you so much, Sir Jim Brody, for such a great idea. To all of the participants who are actively participating, thank you so much because MMM will not be born without those participants. So thank you so much again, and uh, I encourage those Filipinos who haven't tried or haven't joined MMM Philippines yet, be part of our community, and there you can see and you can feel what's the life of a financial free. Thank you so much, and together we will change the world.